welcome back to Pabbly. Come now, let's see how we're going to create the connection between housing.com and Pipedrive. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. Go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. So trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for housing.com. So let's search for housing.com and select it. For the event, we have to select new leads and click on this connect. Over here is the webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and to automate the lead capture, copy and paste it in your housing.com account. To do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from housing.com because housing.com portal doesn't provide the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team or your point of contact of housing.com and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically your subscription will be activated and leads will start coming to the campaign selected by you. And automatically you're going to capture this webhook response, which will be the details of your lead. And whenever then you're going to receive a new lead from housing.com, your workflow is going to get triggered and Pabbly is going to capture the lead details. I have already added this webhook URL in my housing.com account. So let's capture this webhook response, which is the details of my lead. And you can see that we have successfully captured the details. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, requirement, email address, and the area. Now I'm going to add these details in my Pipedrive account. So to do this, I'm going to close this trigger, click on this add new action, and for the action application, I'm going to search for Pipedrive and select it. For the event, I'm going to select create a person and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the API token. So to get this API token, open your Pipedrive account, go on the profile picture, personal preferences, and then API. Over here is your personal API token. So copy this token and paste it in your workflow and click on this save, and your Pipedrive account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to enter the details in order to create a person. So to add the details, you don't have to type it manually like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So I mapped this first name, last name, phone number, and email address, and also selected the label. So I want this label to remain static. That's why I have not mapped it. So you're going to see that we have successfully mapped the details which were required or the details which we had of the lead. Now we have to click on this save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new person in Pipedrive. So let's open our Pipedrive. From the left end of the site, we have to go towards this contact section, and you're going to see automatically the details have been added: the name, the email address, and the phone number. The details are exactly the same which we received right over here in our housing.com. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from housing.com, automatically a new person will be added in my Pipedrive, which is the same lead details. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.